DJ Chan on the track.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode from GL Garage, and in this video, yes, we did it. So pretty much, long story short, cut to the chase here. So to cut to the chase, last video I did, I was talking about the insurance agency from the hit and run that my truck was basically featured in. Insurance finally came through, they did a payout, and this is the reward from that. So, you know, it's not in the best of shape, but it definitely is, you know, an eye turner for a 2003 model. But yes, it is a 2003 Mustang GT. Not the fastest thing in the world. Obviously, we got some clear coat peeling off there, but this is going to be the next car that we feature up on the channel. So powered by the 4.6 liter V8 engine that Ford came out with. These cars sound absolutely phenomenal. Love the way they sound. You know, for the 2000s, they get up and go pretty decently. So I don't plan on making this a 9,000 horsepower car. Quite frankly, maybe not even 900 horsepower. So I just want it to be something that I can take out on the weekend, cruise with it, have it sound good, have it ride good, and, you know, get up to speed if I wanted to. So yeah. So a couple things right off the bat about the car. It's sitting on the SVT rims. I'm not sure if those are the Cobra R rims or not. But, you know, if you grew up in the early 2000s playing the Need for Speed Hot Pursuit, you know all about these cars and how they are, and everybody's kind of got a desire for one. So, you know, it's not the latest and greatest 2024 or 2025 Mustang or any of that stuff, but this is the pinnacle of American muscle, in my opinion. So, yeah, I'm still in shock after a couple days, you know, that it's actually sitting in my garage now. I never thought I'd actually get to own one, but it sounds fantastic, and this video has a lot of good content that I get to share with you guys. A lot of good news coming my way. So let's get right into it. So if you're like me and you do a lot of driving at nighttime, whether you get off of dinner, you get off of work, or you're going to see somebody, you definitely want to have the ability to see lights down the road and be able to visibly see everything that's coming in your direction. And definitely the way to go is by none other than choosing Auxito. Auxito manufactures quality LED lights for your vehicle, direct plug-and-play replacements. They feature 50,000 hour lifetime capacity in the lights. They're made out of aviation-grade aluminum, which is to ensure the durability. They have auto thermostatic system in there for temperature control, 6,000 K light temperature. It is just an absolutely fantastic product. You can go online, check out their website at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. They give you a pair of gloves to do the install. They really do genuinely care and make sure you get the best lighting you can. So with that being said, these lights are absolutely fantastic. They're just absolutely so freaking bright when I drive down the road. I can see everything. It enhances the safety of both my vehicles twofold. So go get yourself some of those lights. And yeah, for those of you asking, I will do a startup. And yeah, of course, for those of you that are wondering what the exhaust setup is, it is Flowmaster Super 10s with BBK H-pipe going all the way back, stock manifolds on the engine block, and I believe the tips are also aftermarket. Not necessarily part of the H-pipe kit, but aftermarket. But it is a standard 4.6, you know, not the 650 million quintillion horsepower that the Shelbys have nowadays. But, you know, it is, for the 2000s, it is a pretty spunky little car. So it's got a nice, fresh, high quality Walmart battery in it. So We're gonna try to baby this car and take care of it as much as we can. I would like to eventually do a heart transplant, put a fresh 4.6 in it. I was told the motor was replaced at one point. Also forgot to mention this is a BBK exhaust intake setup. Would like to eventually take this one out, put a fresh one in there with a supercharger, maybe pro charger or something. I got to do my research and see what everybody around the Mustang community runs. So yeah, the interior is in pretty decent shape. The car sounds absolutely wonderful, and I just ultimately would like to do something with this. It's got pretty decent tin in it. You know, it's pretty much where it should be for a decently good starting project car. I would like to get this either fixed or seek replacement rims. You know, it's just one of those things. So that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to do a quick little intro here, show you guys this car. It will be featured in plenty of videos here to come, you know, things that I plan to do as I gain knowledge and understanding of these cars, because I don't want to just start doing stuff to it without me not knowing. And for that reason, I ended up buying this manual. So if I ever need to do any necessary repairs, and you guys know how I am, even with the S10s, I always buy these manuals. They're just super knowledgeable. They give you exactly what you want to read for tear down and repair stuff. So I would recommend getting one of these for your vehicle. We're gonna roll with it, but you know, like I said, it's a project, so it's not gonna be perfect right off the bat. If you want to see more content on this car, please subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on the video, share with your mom, your cat, your dog, your lobster, your pet fish, whatever you want to do. But hopefully I look forward to seeing everybody back in the next video. And as always, have yourself a good one.
Yeah. God dang it!